Alright guys, we have 4 drones here. I got the Mavic Air, the Spark, the Mavic 2, the Advance. We're gonna go ahead and see if y'all can follow me.
Active track or not even know how it works, I will suggest you not to do this. The reason why I'm able to do this, guys, because I understand how DJI drone works, and of course obstacle avoiding is must. I would not do this if there is no obstacle avoidance, and I will give you an example, because the reason why I'm flying this drone without no controller near me, so I pretty much just put it in one area, and now you guys can go ahead and see what I'm talking about here. I'm actually flying it. You see that? I have no controller with me. See, this is the most important thing. It's really convenient for me to fly the DJI drone. Now you guys can go ahead and see how it works.
Got the Active track's working. That's awesome. Got the Mavic Air, got the Mavic 2. Woo! Phantom. Woo! Everybody's. Look at that. Yeah! Woo! Yeah. Look at that. 4 drone. No controller needed. Wow. Look at the Mavic Air. Look at the Spark. Woo! Now lost me. So I'm gonna go back this way. Four drone at the same time, no controller needed. Woohoo! For the Mavic Air. Yeah! So I'm going forward and I'm going back this way. Yeah, man, no controller needed. Look at that. Woohoo! See? 4 drone. Woohoo! Speeding. Got the Mavic. Ah! Got the Phantom. The Spark. Look at that. Never been done before. The only thing I'm missing is Inspire 2, babe. The only thing I'm missing is Inspire 2. Again. Woo! 1, 2. Whoa, salt water. Uh-oh. See, the obstacle avoidance is a must, guys. Especially. So even though the Spark missed me, still catching up. It's catching. Woohoo! Look at that. Yeah. Woo! Got the Mavic Air, got the Spark, got the Mavic 2. Look at that, all of them are fast. Woo!